forging defects. Forging operation, there are forging defects comes. Forging defects की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर defects in forging may be due to incorrect raw materials, improper heating और incorrect forging condition या defective forging process के यूज़ करने पे forging defect जो होते हैं वो हमें मिलते हैं। और कुछ कॉमन डिफेक्ट्स के बारे में बात करें तो पहला डिफेक्ट आता है जो कि हमारा होता है improper chemical analysis, abnormal structure or inclusion. These are generally due to original material, and the material on receipt should be properly checked and accepted only if according to the specification. अगर मटेरियल जो है वो स्पेसिफिकेशन जो रिक्वायर्ड है ऑपरेशंस के लिए उस स्पेसिफिकेशन क्राइटेरिया को फुलफिल करता है तो यूज़ करेंगे, वरना उसको यूज़ नहीं करेंगे। सेकंड जो डिफेक्ट की बात करता है दैट इज़ योर कोल्ड शेड। इनके अलावा कोल्ड शेड डिफेक्ट बेसिकली यूजली अपेयरिंग एट कॉर्नर्स, ये हमें कॉर्नर्स पे मिलेंगे ड्यूरिंग द ऑपरेशन, और दे आर कॉज बाय मेटल नॉट फ्लोइंग प्रॉपरली इन द कॉर्नर्स ड्यू टू द डिफेक्टिव फोर्जिंग डिज़ाइन एंड improper placing of work in dies या इनकरेक्ट डाई डिज़ाइन। अगर डाई डिज़ाइन करेक्ट नहीं होगी और प्रॉपर प्लेसिंग नहीं होती है वर्क पीस की तो या फोर्जिंग डिज़ाइन में डिफेक्टनेस होती है तो कॉर्नर पर जो होता है ये हमें डिफेक्ट मिलते हैं जिनको हम लोग बोलते हैं कोल्ड शट्स डिफेक्ट्स। थर्ड डिफेक्ट का नाम है दैट इज योर लैप्स। लैप्स बेसिकली लैम्प्स आर फॉर्म्ड whenever metal folds over itself during a die forging. Laps are formed whenever metal folds over itself during die forging, and laps may be also occur during swaging ऑपरेशन में, swaging में, रोलिंग में, एजिंग में एंड फुलफिलिंग ऑपरेशन। जनरली इन दीज ऑपरेशन ये जो आपके फोर्जिंग ऑपरेशन है इनमें हमें ये लैप्स डिफेक्ट जो होता है वो मिलता है स्वेजिंग, रोलिंग, एजिंग एंड फुलरिंग ऑपरेशन में। नेक्स्ट डिफेक्ट का नेम है स्केल पिट्स। स्केल पिट्स की बात करते हैं तो ये बेसिकली दीज आर द शैलो depreciations on the surface of the workpiece caused by the scale that is worked into the forging, and the scale falling off from workpieces during forging should be periodically cleaned to avoid scale pits. Scale pits, ये जो defects है these are shallow depressions on the surface of the workpiece caused by scale that the work into the forging. हमें ये ध्यान रखना है by the scale that is the work by into the forging, and the scale falling off from work pieces during the forging should be periodically cleaned to avoid the scale pits. यहाँ पर हमें क्लीननेस पे ध्यान रखना है, अगर क्लीननेस नहीं होगी तो ये डिफेक्ट्स ये हमें मिल जाएंगे। दैट इज नोन। नेक्स्ट डिफेक्ट इज द क्रैक। क्रैक डिफेक्ट्स occurs due to the uneven heating, forging at the low temperature or incorrect cooling of the forged part. क्रैक डिफेक्ट हमें मिलेगा ड्यू टू अनइवन हीटिंग के थ्रू, फोर्जिंग एट लो टेम्परेचर और इनकरेक्ट कूलिंग ऑफ द फोर्ज पार्ट्स जो कि लीड्स टू रेजिडुअल स्ट्रेसेस, डिस्टोरेशन एंड बोथ लॉन्गिट्यूनल एंड ट्रांसवर्स क्रैक जो होते हैं हमें मिलते हैं इस फोर्जिंग में। देन क्रैक्स कैन बी रिमूव ड्यूरिंग द फोर्जिंग ऑपरेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ न्यूमेटिक chisels when the material is hot. Cracks can be removed during the forging operation with the help of pneumatic chisels when the material is hot. And next defect is known as your hair defect. In this hair defect, hair cracks are very fine cracks that occurs due to the defects in ingots या too rapid cooling of the forged part. तो ये defect मिलेगा तब, that is defect is known as hair effect, hair crack. Next defect is unfilled section. These are the result of a die cavity not completely filled during forging, and the causes of this may be insufficient metal wrong placement of metal in the die, improper heating of the metal, incorrect forging design, defective die or defective die design and faulty forging technique. This defect is known as your unfilled section. Next defect is known as that your mismatching. Mismatching in forging is caused by lack of alignment of upper and lower die halves. This may be due to improper die, incorrect fitting of the die, या worn guides of the press या hammer used for this purpose. Next defect, that is your ninth, that is your rupture fiber flow line defects. ये defect हमें कब मिलेगा? These are revealed by examination of microstructure, and are due to rapid flow of metal in the die. It may be due to improper design of the stages in forging. ये defect मिलेगा rupture fiber flow lines. Next defect, that is known as tears. Tears are surface defect that occurs when जब metals are forged at low temperature या burn due to improper heating. Segregation या presence of low melting या brittle phases in the metals can be also lead to tears defect. Hot crack defect, unfilled section, mismatching, rupture, tears, and tears are the defects. Next defect, that is your dull या slag defect. In the rubber, dirt या slag defect is known that if present in the ingot used for forging, dirt, slag या sand inclusion may be exist on the surface of inside of the forging. Dirt, slag या sand होगा तो that is ये हमें that is defect. If the present in the ingot used for forging, dirt, slag या sand inclusion may be exist on the surface of inside the forging. Next defect is known as blowholes, honeycombs, and cavity defect. Blowholes in forging result from the blowholes present in the ingot caused by the release of gases during solidification. And honeycombs and cavities occur when the forging ground workpiece in the flat dies in the workpiece drawn out a round section without being first forced to the square section. Next defect is known as your center brush defect. In their center brush defects are ruptures occurring at the center of the billet due to the presence of segregation या brittle faces. Next defect is 14, that is dimensional outside tolerance. These may be result of incorrect die या die wear या mismatching die halves. 15 defect is burned and overheated metal. This is caused by heating the metal to high temperature या for a too long time. So that defect is known as burned या overheated metal defect. 16 defect is that is your decarburization. Decarburization of steel occurs due to contact of heated steel with atmosphere. Heated steel with atmosphere हो जाएगा तो हमें decarburization defect मिलेगा. Carbon gets removed from the solid steel due to oxidation. And the 17th defect is known as your residual stress and distortion. In the residual stress are caused by uneven cooling of the workpiece after forging, and these stresses may be lead to distortion या cracking of the forging. And 18th defect is the barreling. Barreling या blazing of free surface occurs in open die forging due to pressure from the internal flowing material when the lubrication is insufficient. So these are the 18 defects. First is defect था हमारा improper chemical analysis, abnormal structure and inclusion. फिर second defect हमारा cold shirt. Third defect, that is your lapse. Lapse basically are formed whenever the metal folds over itself during the die forging. Scale pits defect, this is the for scale fitting of the workpiece during the forging should be periodically cleaned. That is cracks जो है occur due to the uneven heating. Hair cracks are very fine cracks that occurs due to defect in ingots. Unfilled sections, mismatching, ruptured fiber flow lines, tears, and dirt slag or sand inclusions, blowholes, honeycombs, and cavities. And then center burst, dimension outside tolerance, burned overheated metal, and decarbonization, residual stresses and distortion, and barreling. These are the 18 forging defects. And whenever classified these forging defects, basically two types. There are removal defects और irremovable defects. अगर हम बात करेंगे रिमूवल डिफेक्ट में तो इसमें आएगा सैलो क्रैक्स आएंगे, ओवर हीटिंग आएगा, कोरस ग्रेन स्ट्रक्चर आएंगे, रेजिडुअल स्ट्रेस एंड डिस्टॉर्शन. ये हमारे रिमूवल डिफेक्ट होंगे. और इररिमूवल डिफेक्ट की बात करेंगे तो इसमें डीप क्रैक्स, टीयर्स, कैविटीज एंड बर्न मेटल, ये हमारे हो जाएंगे irremovable defects. These are the defects for removal defects and irremovable defects.